Good morning, children. Today in social we are going to learn the desert heat region. In the last class we learned climate, what is desert, what is the desert climate and vegetation in the desert. Today we are going to learn the same chapter from the same chapter, that is animal life. Like plants are found in the deserts, there are few animals also found in desert. The main animal we find in desert is camel. Camel is called as the ship of the desert. So let us see what are the different animals which we find in desert. First we find variety of snakes are found in deserts. One among them is rattlesnake, which is very poisonous and is very common in desert. It bites the prey and it captures the prey. So rattle and snakes are very poisonous and very common in deserts. Next, a variety of lizards, hedgehog, insects, scorpions are very common. These are desert animals. Next, a camel can survive. As I told you, camel is one of the important animal found in the desert. And one more thing is, camel can survive without water for many days. It stores its food in the hump. The camel has a long leg and paddle felt which help them to walk for a long distance. Many desert animals do not come out during the day. They come out during the night because during night it is cold weather. Deserts are cold. So the animal come out during the night hours. So this is all about the animal life, children. Children, now come let us see the human life in desert. Human life in desert is very scarce and generally scarce. Life is very tough in the desert because water is very precious for the desert people. They have to walk miles together to fetch the water for daily chores. So the main occupation or the people mainly they do animal husbandry, farming, trading in the desert area. As I told you, water is very precious here. They have to walk miles together to bring water. If you remember, if you have time for anything, go and watch a very old film, Hindi movie, Rudali. In that, they have picturized the desert life very beautifully. So, let's come and learn about the farming, desert farming. Farming can only be practiced near the oases and areas where water is available, which is helpful for the irrigation. So, it's irrigation. Water is available for crops, and crops grown in desert are millets, maize, rice, wheat, etc. In winter, they normally grow wheat and barley during the winter season. You can have palm trees. You can see lot many palm trees in that region. Like that, trading of carpets, rugs are very common in this desert area. So, children, in the desert heat region, we learned climate of the desert, vegetation, animal life and human life. So, this is all about desert heat region. Thank you, children.